What is up, guys? Stevo here. Thanks for watching. And today we're going to finally get into the oil change. Last time I forgot I had some parts coming in. They came in. So today we're going to get those put on, get the oil changed, and I got some other goodies. Stick around. First, we're going to get this cap off of here for the brake reservoir. I'm ringing my bell. Alright, we'll get the O-ring switched over onto the new cap and get the new cap put on. Alright guys, got the new rubber switched over onto the new cap. And go ahead and get her on there. Next we're going to get on after this throttle cable guard here. It goes on right here. Pretty simple install. Just move the rubber boot out of your way. Clamps on right here. Pretty easy. Bottom piece on here. Oh, that fits good. Top piece on. Blooper. They even sent me the handy dandy little tool I needed, aka Allen wrench. You just snug down there, and then put your rubber boot back up. A little added protection. Always want to use your rubber. There you go. Blue, blue, and some more blue. All right, next we're gonna get these oil caps on here, and we're gonna get this oil changed so we can go ride. All right guys, first thing, we're gonna get this oil plug out of here. I already started the bike and I let it run. Got it up to about 150 degrees, so pull this plug and get this oil out of here. Ooh, almost got you guys. Almost shot you right in the face. This does have a magnet on it, so I'm gonna get that cleaned off there too. It's got the magnet all cleaned up, drain plug. Oil's drained. Let's get the plug back in. Get her tightened up. We'll move to the other side and get the other screen out and get the two filters out. Okay, so on my KTM, I've got a screen over here that you want to make sure you pull out and get that cleaned off. Mine looks pretty good. If you get anything built up on there, you want to get that sprayed off, get that screen cleaned off real good. But mine looks great. I'm not even going to clean it. Run with it. All right, next we're gonna get these cap and this cap off so we can get on them freshies and change the filter. I just gotta go find my filters. I'll be back. Get these bad boys off of here. I am stoked to get these on here. I got no bling on this side. I gotta get some bling on this side. And I gotta take this O-ring and put it on my new one. I gotta get that filter out of there. Same thing on this one. Take the rubber off, put on the new one. All right, I'm gonna try doing those pliers here. Just stick them in and open them up. Try to wiggle that sucker back and forth and get her out of there. All right. There's one. There's two. All right, can you guys see? Let me know when it's about halfway in the glass. You see anything yet? Shouldn't take that much. About a quart. Oh, you see it? How about that? Does that look good? A little more? Now how's it look? A little more? Ooh, how's that? That's pretty darn close. I'm gonna put in just a little bit more because I know once it runs, it's gonna fill the oil filters up. That should be good right there. Then we'll fire it up and then we'll recheck it. Alright, let her run. And we'll recheck it. Let it drain back into the case. Get us a good accurate reading. I'm gonna go ahead and check everything and make sure nothing's leaking, dripping, all that fun stuff. And then we'll move on to the next thing. I got a surprise.
Hand guards, people. Yeah. Moose racing.
Alright, let's get this bad boy opened up. Look, you got all this sweet hardware. It's got moose. Look at that. Pretty sweet. I dig it. Let's get these bad boys on. Alright, first thing we gotta do is we gotta cut the end off of here. So I'm gonna get after that. Try to get a nice good even cut all the way around so we can slide our insert on the end of the handlebars. So I'll get back with you when I got that cut off of there. Yeah, that'll work. Now I can put the insert in there. We also got to figure out some stuff with the hardware here. I'm going to have to drill a hole or something for the second bolt, because these things are just mounted with one. Kind of flimsy. That's why I want to put the new ones on there, because those aren't worth a crap. So let's figure that out. Alright. I'll take this bracket off here, put the new hardware on for the new handguard, then figure out where I gotta put my hole. Hey, it might be right there. Might have just got lucky. Get these off of here. Get that clamp off there. I have to find my snips too, because I got a zip tie over here on this wire. I got that darn thing off there, finally. Let's snip this. Alright, now we can get the new guard, or figure out where we can mount it and get to that part. Okay, so my kit came with two different styles. It came with a rubber grommet for if you have steel handlebars. That goes on, put the nut on. Well, mine's aluminum, so you get a sleeve, tapered sleeve, and then a taper threaded sleeve. And that's how they go. And then it screws down tight. And then I'll take this and insert this into my handlebars. And then as I tighten it, they'll open and swell, and tighten up on the end. Oh no, my bars are too fat. I got fat bars. Okay, so these aren't fitting onto my bars where I need them to, so yep. Remember, safety glasses. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, that was hot and I was burning my finger. So I got me some pliers and I'm gonna use these pliers as my guide to see, you know, how much to take off. Yeah. Gotta do both sides. Ground down both corners on both sides of the clamps. So when they go together, I'll have a big enough opening so I can use these darn things. Perfect fit. Got her all mounted up. She ain't going nowhere. Good and sturdy. Nice and straight out, flush, whatever you want to call it. All right, let's figure out how to get this bad boy on there. Somewhere in here. All right, so I found a bolt. It's going to get us right where we need to be. All right. That'll be good enough to hold that on there. I don't need 2 bolts. It's okay if it's kind of, you know, made to be flexible. This is the important part. All right, let's go on to the other side. Actually, I take that back. I gotta get this zip tied or something. Check it out. Got some orange ones. So I have one for this side, one for the other side. Sweet. We'll just zip tie that right to there so she'll stay steady. Perfect. Whew, close one. All right, on to the next side. right, let's check it out. Both done. Both mounted to the bar, nice and sturdy. Got the Moose Racing. Oh, that's sick. My blinkers still work. Oh yeah. Sweet. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. We're going to get this thing out. We're going to do some ripping. I'm telling you, I'm sick of wrenching on it. Been putting all these parts on this thing and making it look pretty. Time to get it out and do some fun stuff. But yeah, guys, see you on the next one.